Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. Today is Saturday, so I'm filming this the day before, and it's pretty gloomy outside, but this is my last weekend in my apartment. So I'm kind of just trying to soak in every moment of it, and throughout the next week kind of do the same thing, just soak in the last few minutes of like living alone and being here, because I do feel like this place it's my home and it's my like little sanctuary. I want to make something with my Nespresso this morning, and I used up all of the good pods apparently, according to what people have said. This is the last 5.07 fluid ounce pod I have, and it's the Furtado, so hopefully it's good. But gonna make that. Look at all the layers of this. It smells good. So I got myself all ready for the day. I was just about to start filming a video that I'm going to post today. So I think I'm going to film gift ideas, the gift ideas video, which is going to be going up actually today when I'm filming this. So yeah, I need to film that really fast, but that will only take like half hour at most, and then I have a bunch of other things that I'm planning to shoot for the day. I just got done shooting all of my looks over here. I'm doing well, this was all Petal and Pup stuff, so that will go live. I know at least okay, let's rewind. I did like a holiday styling TikTok for like holiday outfits, basically for like a dressy look, dressy but like casual look, and then more so two kind of loungewear looks. So it's a wide range of holiday looks. Like obviously everyone's holiday style is not the same, so I think that will be a really good video, and that's gonna go live this week. But I filmed the TikTok for that, and then like did some other TikToks with those outfits, styling those pieces that I got, and then I just wrote down everything that I did so that I have track of it. I have my little fake fireplace going, but right now I'm going to make some lunch, so I'm just gonna have some leftover taco because I've been living on this for the past 3 days and I'm loving it. Rice, and then I'm gonna do the cucumber salad, which is fire. It's a few hours later. I've gotten some work things done for the day. I got a lot of shooting stuff done that needed to be done. I have some laundry going in the back, as I'm sure you can hear. I love my tree so much. Oh, I love it here. In my apartment, just in my apartment, here in my apartment. Anywho, I am probably now going to start packing up some things. My sister's birthday is tomorrow, and my parents are actually going to be coming down, so I figured I could give them some things to take. So I don't know exactly what I want them to take yet for the move, but we're gonna figure that out. I have some things in mind, and yeah, I'm gonna pack those up so it's all ready to go for tomorrow. going through and I'm picking out all of the hangers. The loose hangers. I am getting so fucking frustrated. My damn fucking... I'm so frustrated. The screen, dude, what the frig? Goodbye. Whatever. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna have basically what I had for lunch, but I'm gonna have chips and salsa, and I'm also gonna have a beer. So... oops, I forgot I ate all the rice. Don't feel like making more right now. So chicken and beans it is. I'm having a winter cheers by Victory tonight. And some Farmhouse Culture kraut crisps. Love this Saturday night. I thought it was Friday night for a second meal, but we're gonna eat and watch some lovely YouTube. Just finished dinner, and by no means am I hungry whatsoever, but I have been just thinking about chocolate chip cookies for a while, and it makes me very sad that I do not have oat milk right now. However, that's okay, it's fine. We are still going to make the chocolate chip cookies because I really want them. Should I like run to the grocery store quick to get milk? That would be like, that would like make the night. It's 6:15. Let's see. I don't even know where grocery stores are at around me, because I don't go around here. Oh, Whole Foods is only 8 minutes away. Yeah, okay, I think I might run just to get milk. But let me see if I need any ingredients first. I think I have all the ingredients I need, but like, I just wanna triple double check. Okay. Lovely. Now that we look like a Christmas tree, let's get our oat milk. Literally the most me thing I've ever done. Can we just have a moment for this gloriousness, beautiful prettiness? Okay. Honestly, I mean, I just got here and it only took like a few minutes, but I used to come to Whole Foods all the time, and now I have not been here in like a year. It's literally more convenient for me to drive 23 minutes out to King of Prussia than it is for me to drive to a Whole Foods or somewhere in the city where it's like more inconvenient, and I don't know. I just hate dealing with it. So glad to be getting out, but I'll still have to drive to Wegmans when I'm at home. I'll have to drive to Wegmans when I'm at home because we don't have one near us. But that's okay. I love driving to the Wegmans that's closest to us in Wilkes-Barre because it's just a fun little trip you take. So, gonna go get the oat milk and get back home. And we back. We got the milk. We all good. I just preheated the oven. So, the peanut butter, maple syrup, eggs, and vanilla. Well, I don't have a beater, so my hands will have to do. So then we're gonna do almond butter too because I don't have enough peanut butter. The best peanut butter is from Wegmans and the best almond butter is from Trader Joe's. Maple syrup, eggs, and vanilla. Great. Love that. Well, the half a cup is being covered by... Okay, we got half a cup. Vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Yep. Well, we just used the rest of that. And then eggs, I think it said. Syrup, eggs, and vanilla. And now we beat. One cup of gluten-free rolled oats, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of sea salt. Sure. This seems very liquidy for the fact that it's supposed to be fucking, oh my god. Was I mistaken here for something? Because pretty sure I did everything right. There is no way that those will be, okay, we're just gonna add more oats. Runny to be cookies. God damn it. Here comes the almond flour. Oh my god. This is a disaster. Do people not know how to write recipes correctly or what? Okay. That's as good as... Oh, I shouldn't eat that. There's raw egg. How many cups? Oh my god, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips? That's a freaking lot. Do people not know how to write recipes? That's a lot of chocolate chips. Okay. Then we're going to bake for 8 to 13 minutes. Oh my god. In our little globs go. 10 minutes is up. Let's see. I think they definitely had to use some sort of non-natural peanut butter because this is not what they look like, but they look good still. I just don't know if they're gonna like hold up well. It's basically like a ball of peanut butter. I just wanted to get ahead of myself, and I've been editing and uploading the vlog on the same day that it goes live, so I want to get ahead of myself because tomorrow is going to be a little hectic, and I started to edit this video, so I'm almost done, but I just wanted to finish it off. After I'm done finishing this video, I'm going to sit down and watch a Christmas movie and eat my cookies, drink my milk, but I figured I owe it to you guys to at least try the cookies on screen, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's give them a whirl. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna have it with the milk yet, but let's just try a bite. Here's what they look like, just so you guys get an idea. It literally looks like peanut butter. Okay. Tastes like peanut butter. They're good. They're really good. Not what I was like looking or going for, but I mean, those are really good. if you're looking for something super peanut buttery. That's like basically a cookie, but tastes like a peanut butter ball. Yeah, they're good. Anywho, and they're really oily. That will taste good with milk though. Anywho, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, come back, subscribe, because I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. I keep needing to look because it's just necessary. Vlogmas Day 14. So I am vlogging tomorrow, and that vlog will be up on day 14. See you guys then. Bye guys.